భారత అంతరిక్ష పరిశోధన సంస్థ ఇస్రో పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-50ని విజయవంతంగా ప్రయోగించింది. శ్రీహరికోటలోని సతీష్ ధావన్ స్పేస్ సెంటర్ నుంచి నిప్పులు చెరుగుతూ పిఎస్ఎల్వి రాకెట్ నింగిలోకి దూసుకువెళ్లింది. ఈ ప్రయోగం ద్వారా సమాచార వ్యవస్థ కోసం అత్యాధునిక సాంకేతిక పరిజ్ఞానం కలిగిన CMS-01 ఉపగ్రహాన్ని పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-50 ద్వారా అంతరిక్షంలోకి పంపారు ఇస్రో శాస్త్రవేత్తలు. ఈ శాటిలైట్ సి బ్యాండ్ సేవల విస్తరణకు దోహదపడుతుంది. CMS-01 ఇస్రో చరిత్రలో 42వ సమాచార ఉపగ్రహం. 1410 కిలోల బరువు కలిగిన CMS-01 ఉపగ్రహం జీవితకాలం 7 ఏళ్లు. ఈ ప్రయోగంతో అండమాన్ నికోబార్, లక్షద్వీప్ దీవులకు సమాచార వ్యవస్థ పూర్తి స్థాయిలో మెరుగుపడనుంది.
PS1 performance is according to the expectations.
दर्शकों के लिए भी काफी उत्साह का पल.
Stage performance normal.
It's close to 1 minute after the flight.
R1 main auto. 1 minute. Sharp 2 main auto.
अब हम
The air-lift strap-ons have also been separated. It is 1 minute 30 seconds into the launch, altitude 40 kilometers. Now we await the heat shield separation. That will be the next event in the launch.
Tail nose fairing separated.
वातावरण से बाहर आ चुका है.
3, 2, 1, 0.
सफलतापूर्ण लिफ्ट ऑफ.
Normal.
PSLV C-50 सापेक्षिक गति अब करीब 8.99 किलोमीटर प्रति सेकंड की हो चुकी है. उपग्रह के आक्षेपण के लिए सापेक्षिक गति 9.61 की अपेक्षित है. PS4 सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ और ऑर्बिटल स्थितियों को प्राप्त करता हुआ.
Fourth stage thrust cut off.
चतुर्थ चरण का प्रणोदक खत्म हो चुका है और उसे बंद कर दिया गया है. यह सब ऑन बोर्ड कंप्यूटर के द्वारा किया जा रहा है. अब कुछ ही क्षण में
Satellite injection conditions are achieved.
Now the injection conditions for the rocket are achieved. The orientation is proper. The perigee has been achieved.
Plus 20 minutes.
And we are expecting the separation of the satellite anytime soon.
जी हाँ, कक्षा की स्थितियां प्राप्त की जा चुकी हैं. अब आप ऑन बोर्ड कैमरा की मदद से देख पा रहे हैं यह उपग्रह का
CMS-01 satellite separated. Mission accomplished. Handing over to mission director.
The PSLV C-50 has successfully placed CMS-01 in its intended orbit, and we have yet another time achieved a successful mission.
CMS-01 mission is fully accomplished.
जी हाँ, पूरे भारत वासियों को इस पे गर्व होगा. एक बार फिर हम लोगों ने इसे सफलतापूर्ण ढंग से हासिल कर लिया है. उपग्रह CMS-01 अपनी कक्षा पर स्थापित किया जा चुका है.
And now we take you to the addressing by Chairman ISRO and the team. We take leave from you. Do take good care of yourself. Goodbye.
जी हाँ, अब हम आपसे विदा लेते हैं.
రైట్. పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-50 ప్రయోగం విజయవంతమైంది. జీనాట్ 12వ స్థానాన్ని భర్తీ చేయనటువంటి CMS-01 శాటిలైట్. అలాగే ఈ CMS-01 సేవలు ఏ విధంగా ఉండబోతున్నాయి అనేది కూడా మనం చూస్తూ ఉన్నాము. పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-50 ప్రయోగం విజయవంతమైంది. నింగిలోకి పిఎస్ఎల్వి C-50 దూసుకువెళ్ళినట్లు కూడా మనం చూస్తూ ఉన్నాం.
Injected CMS-01, the communication satellite, precisely in the predefined sub-GTO orbit. The satellite is functioning very well. 12 was launched 11 years back. I am sure that this satellite will be doing all the functions as planned successfully. This excellent success really we achieved today because of the hard work and dedicated effort by Team ISRO, both launch vehicle team as well as satellite team tirelessly worked very in the pandemic conditions, very safely they worked, as well as with a minimum number of team, they have done the job. Kudos to my ISRO team for both launch vehicle team as well as the satellite team. Now, when we have talked about success, definitely you will be asking what is next. The next mission, PSLV C-51, is a special for us. It is special for the entire country. Why I am telling is, as all of us are aware, recently we have brought the space reform and unlocking India's potential in the space sector. This aspect our Government of India has initiated. Very interesting to note that within 8 months now, the first satellite from a startup called Pixel India, the satellite is called Anand. It is going to be Earth observation satellite. It is going to be launched. This is the first of its kind in India for bringing the private people, for enabling the space activities over the country. This satellite, what are they going to do? Launch. It is going to provide Earth observation purpose, and this is the first of its kind and series. In the series of satellite, this startup company is going to launch. Along with that Anand satellite, 2 more satellites under the space reform is going to be launched. That is Space Kids India. Another one is that satellite is called Sadish Sat. The next satellite is the University Consortium UnitySat. So definitely PSLV C-51 is going to initiate the the new era of the space reform in India. And I am sure that the startups and the private people will take this activity further and to provide services for the entire country. Now, at the same time, we have a lot of work on hand to do. That is, we are having activities like Chandrayaan-3, flagship program like Aditya L1, and Gaganyaan. It is activities. It is going on, and we have to have the missions at the earliest.